Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me, Mr. Donald. Well, in this video, I'm going to instruct you how to improve your speaking skill. Well, in this case, I'm going to tell you a short story related to the use of simple past tense, modal must, and if clause. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat. Then you should try to memorize, because I'm going to ask you some questions about the story. Well, now please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. There was once a foolish farmer. He had a good hen. The hen gave him an egg every day. He sold the eggs and he got much money. One day he thought there must be many eggs inside the hen. If I kill it, I shall get many eggs in one day and get much money too. So he caught the hen and killed it. But when he cut it open, he did not find any eggs. The hen was dead, therefore he could not get any more eggs or money. How foolish the farmer was. Now, do you still remember the story? Can you retell the story with your own words? Please answer my questions now. What do you think of the farmer? Did the farmer have a good hen? Did the hen give him an egg every day? Did he sell the eggs? Did he get much money? What did he think of the hen one day? Did he catch the hen and kill it? Did he find any eggs in the hen? Was the hen dead? Well, now what about you? Do you have a hen? What would you do if you had a good hen like in this story? Well, you should have partners to reproduce your conversation or to practice your English. I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.